Hey guys. So this is all he does when I take him out. This is all my dog does when I take him out. What am I supposed to do? He just sits there, sniffs the ground, and sometimes eats grass and looks at squirrels and chases them. What am I supposed to do with him? I don't know. Ace, come here, bud. I mean, he is a cute dog. He is a really cute dog. What am I supposed to do with this dog? What am I supposed to do with him? I don't know. But, yeah. I don't know. I'll get back to y'all very shortly. Alright. And, Ace, he doesn't want to say anything. Like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next vid.